Inahahalintulad ba ni VP Sara ang kanyang ama kaya sa yumaong Ninoy Aquino? Parang hindi po natin nadinig noon na inahilintulad ni dating Pangulong Duterte ang sarili niya kay Ninoy, kung hindi kay Hitler. Meron po siyang sinabi mismo, sinabi pa niya dito, and I quote, Hitler massacred 3 million, actually it's supposed to be 6 million Jews. Now there is 3 million, what is it? 3 million drug addicts in the Philippines. There are. I'd be happy to slaughter them. At least if Germany had Hitler, the Philippines would have me. So napakalayo pong ipakumpara ang sarili o ikumpara ang dating Pangulong Duterte kay Ninoy Aquino na hindi nagkaroon ng anumang record ng mass murder or crimes against humanity. Mas ninais po ni dating Pangulong Duterte na ikumpara ang sarili niya kay Hitler.